Desktop Slimline Books is placed on the desk or counter to display menu and advertisements. It has the narrowest border and extra thin body. The built-in LED light panel illuminates the poster brightly and evenly, and lets the advertising information to be very eye-catching. Desktop Slimline Books can display at vertical or horizontal types. Its direction, height, and brightness are adjustable for their best display effect. Twin display on the plastic base is available.